Before I begin this video, I want to thank this video sponsor, Atlas Driving School. So whether you're looking for driving lessons for yourself or somebody you know, Atlas Driving School is the right choice for you. They've got locations all over the Lower Mainland. And for watching Vancouver's Worst Drivers, you can receive 10% off. Check out all the information in the description below. And again, a big thank you to Atlas Driving School for sponsoring this video. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Let's get this video started with this clip from David, where this driver, I guess, is going the wrong way. I guess they changed their mind about where they want to go. But instead of, turning right and looping around the block, they're just going to back up. And then we got this video from Eno where this person is also backing up, and somehow this sign comes out of nowhere and just smashes right into their bumper. It's perplexing to me how this driver passes this cyclist, yet somehow forgets about them half a second later. I feel like based on this video alone, autonomous vehicles need to come sooner rather than later. Whenever drivers are panicked, whatever skills they had left just go out the window completely. Let's put a new driver and a cab driver together and see what happens. Traffic is so bad in Vancouver that even this trail axle is out. They're just like, I'm done. That's it. I'm tired of this. In my last video, I posted 2 videos of people in North Van on Marine Drive doing this. What is up with North Van drivers nowadays? Daniel sent in 2 video clips which summarize Vancouver so well. First of all, he gets cut off by his driver with, not yielding, no signal, no nothing. And then just moments later, this happens, and this driver can't even use, the sun being his eyes or as an excuse for anything. He just doesn't notice for red light. So people on Instagram have been saying that this driver could be, in a medical emergency or something like that and needed to go to a hospital, which is fair, but it raises an interesting question. Does driving recklessly, if there's an emergency, justify that kind of behavior if you were to hit someone else and also injure them? Let me know in the comment section below what you folks think. Arnold sent in this video clip of this Mercedes driver who's just way too impatient, forces this left turn, and Arnold, in my view, was completely justified waiting because he didn't know where that white SUV was going to go. Emily sent in this video from the Metrotown area, and this driver is the textbook example of persistent. The amount of time it takes for this crazy left turn, they could have turned right, gone into the parking lot, looped around, and then got straight through. But instead, they're going to block the crosswalk and run the red light. I wonder what would have happened if a driver driving toward the Jeep decided to turn left in the left turn lane. Kevin sent in this video of this gentleman who is absolutely cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, walking in the middle of a road. Not sure, if he's trying to get some insurance money or if he's trying to carjack someone. Who knows? But either way, maybe he should be on the sidewalk. All right, I want to hear from all of you about this one, okay? M is riding his bike, and obviously these people have no idea he is there. Is it okay to park in the bike lane like this if there's no other space to park, This is, the kids area. There's not a lot of parking. Can they temporarily park there? Let me know in the comment section below. This white Audi is turning left here, and this other driver is just not having it whatsoever. This whole situation could have been avoided had the person actually just stopped, looked left, and then gone. Isn't it just so boring when people drive on the correct side of the road? So Robert sends in this video of this driver running this super late red light. And the best part about this video is this woman's reaction right over here. She is just completely shocked, appalled, in just a disbelief. She doesn't even know what to do. And then she just gives up crossing the street. Run Sam recorded this video, and as you can see, the light went yellow and then red, and this Honda driver doesn't turn left. Well, he then decides to turn left when the light is red. I just, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what to do with these kind of drivers. Like, how do they get their licenses? How do they not crash into every single person around them? I don't get it. This video sent in by Steph is similar to the one sent in by Daniel, where these drivers are just trying to get around traffic without, shoulder checking, signaling, making sure it's clear, or anything like that. It's just they're so focused on just one task, they forget about everybody else around them. You know what's shocking to me? Although there's a lot of things on this channel that shouldn't shock me, but this shocks me that this Mazda doesn't anticipate that white SUV turning even though they're in a left turn lane. The word that comes to my mind when I watch this clip is just chaos. This red car almost gets hit by this truck. This cyclist almost gets hit by the person turning left. This Volkswagen still doesn't know what he's doing. It's just an absolute mess. This is a close call for Mustafa in this clip, but it's an even closer call for the driver to his left. So Palam's driving a big rig here, and this driver just stops on a green light for no reason, and then Palam almost hits him and just avoids it by the skin of his teeth. So this white car, I guess, is tired of waiting in traffic and just decides to go down a street on the wrong side of the road because, well, why not? So that's already surprising, and then moments later, another car does the exact same thing. So keep an eye out on the driver right over here, okay? Waiting to turn right. Now is his chance. He's got to go for it, but he just pauses too long, takes too long to turn right, then almost hits Derek. I don't know about you guys, but if I was on a motorcycle and I saw people driving like this around me, I would just be a little bit nervous. And the last video of the day is this last one from Ed, where this driver has no idea what a yield sign means. Alright, as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram as Facebook as well. And if you have any videos across BC, be sure to email them to me at vancouverdrivingvideos@outlook.com.